and the inverse Laplace transform of this k over s minus a squared minus k squared is equal to e to the power of a of at sine. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to solve a problem from advanced engineering mathematics involving the inverse Laplace transform. My name is Rimuel Maka, and in this video, I walk you through the steps to solve this using a method presented in the accompanying PowerPoint. Let's get started. We have a given problem, problem 760. Determine the inverse Laplace transform of 1 over 4s squared minus 8s. We have a given choices for this problem, which is A, 1 over 4e to the power of t sine ht, B, 1 over 2e to the power of 2t sine ht, C, 1 over 4e to the power of t cosine ht, and D, 1 over 2e to the power of 2t cosine ht. First, let's simplify the denominator. The given expression, which is 4s squared minus 8s, we can factor this quadratic as follows. So 4s squared minus 8s is equal to 4 open quantity s squared minus 2s cos quantity. And 4s squared minus 2 is equal to 4 open quantity of s minus 1 squared minus 1. So from our given equation, 1 over 4s squared minus 8s is equal to 1 over 4 open quantity of s minus 1 squared minus 1. Now, using the standard inverse Laplace transform formula, which is k over s minus a squared minus k squared, and the inverse Laplace transform of this k over s minus a squared minus k squared is equal to e to the power of a of at sine hk t. And the inverse Laplace transform of this our equation 1 over 4 s minus 1 squared minus 1, which is a is equal to 1 and k equals 1, and that is equal to 1 over 4 e to the power of t sine ht. Therefore, the inverse Laplace transform of 1 over 4 squared minus 8 is equal to 1 over 4 e to the power of t sine ht. So our answer is 1 over 4 e to the power of t sine ht. That's how we solve this inverse Laplace transform problem step by step. We simplified the expression, used partial fractions, and applied non-inverse Laplace transforms formulas. If this helped you, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.